Hello! For today's project, the materials used are 4mm dowels, cardstock paper, 18-gauge wire, a miniature saw, scissors, craft glue, medium and fine sandpaper and acrylic paint. To start, cut a 4mm dowel into 5 pieces measuring 3 inches. Glue the first dowel onto a piece of cardstock paper. Use a piece of 18-gauge wire to create space between each dowel. Remove the gauge wire as you glue down each dowel. Also, align each dowel evenly as you go. For the shorter ends of the table, cut 2 pieces of dowel by marking the length needed. Use the wire to create space between the wood as you glue into place, and then remove the wire. For the longer sides of the table, cut 2 dowel pieces by marking the length needed. Leave no space between the wood as you glue into place. Next, cut away the excess paper. Paint the top and sides of the table with acrylic paint. Remove excess paint in between the grooves. For the legs, cut 4 pieces of dowel into 1 4/8 of an inch. Glue into place. To stabilize the legs, cut 2 pieces of dowel by marking the length needed. Then glue a dowel piece between each pair of legs. Then glue into place. Connect both ends of the table with a dowel by marking the length needed. Glue dowel into place. Paint the underside of the table with acrylic paint. Use medium and then fine sandpaper to distress the wood. All done! Thank you so much for watching. Any feedback or suggestions are greatly appreciated. If you've made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe.